To what extent was the revolt of the 1857 and a national uprising evaluates in light of the its and the causes, particulations and outcomes? 250 words. The revolt of the 1857 was other major rebellions against the British rules in India. It was the derived by the various political, economics and social reasons and marked the first a large scale resistance to the colonial authorities. As B.D. Savarkar stated, the revolt and was other nationals bar of the independence and not just other sepoy and mutiny body. Uses of the revolt and the military and the grievances, economic exploitations, political annexations, social and the religious factors, participations and spread, military separations and princely state and peasant, regional variations and outcomes and legacy. Failures to the achieve immediate and the independent end of East India and company rules and military and the administration's reforms and political awakenings, evolutions. Military grievances and discontent among the spy and over the pay, promotions and use of the graced and cartridge offer religion and sentiments and example the infined and rifles and cartridges. Controversy sparked immediate unrest. Economically, exploitations, heavy taxations, land and the alienations, and disruption of traditional economics caused widespread distress. Example: the Jamindari systems and British revenue and political impoverished and peasant. The political annexations doctrine of left and annexations of the princely states like the Awadh, Braid and resentment. Example: the deposition of Nawab Wajid Ali Shah and fueled regional anger. The social and the religious factors, missionaries' activities, and the cultural interference and threatened traditional beliefs. An example: fears of the forced and conversations alarmed and many the communities. Participation and spread. Military participation. Primarily led by Indian sepoy in and the Bengal army, but and the included some and the cavalry and the infantry units. Example: the revolt broke out and simultaneously in Meerut, Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow, princely state and peasants. Some the rulers and peasants joined the revolt and while the others and remained loyal to the British. Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi and the Tatya Bhil becomes the icon's leaders. Religious variations. The revolt had the stronghold in north and the central India and but the limitations in the south and east India. Example of Punjab, Madras presidencies and show the little rebellions overcome outcomes and legacy. Failures to the achieve an immediate independence and the revolt and was the suppressed within other year. Example: British assertion control after the heavy military compositions. End of East India Company rules. The British and Crown the took and direct the control of India in 1858. Example: the Government of India Act 1858 established the British Raj. Military and the administration reform. Reorganizations of the army and greater inclusion of loyal community. Example: increase the requirement from the Sikh and the Gorkhas. Political awakening. The revolt shows the seed of the nationalism and inspired the future's freedoms struggles. And later the nationalist and leaders draw inspiration from the 1857 the evolutions, although the revolt lacks other unified leaders and the nationals wide participation. It the expressed the common resentment and against the British rule across the deserved sections of the Indian society. It is the symbolized value as other collectives refinance and marked the beginnings of the India's and the nationalist conscience in making. It is in the precursor to the Platters and Pan-Indian movement. Conclusion: while the revolt of the 1857 was not the uniformly and the national in participations, its and the accuses skills and the legacy qualify it is an and the significant national uprising, as the Bipin Chandra argues. It was the first and the collective expression of Indian resistance against the British rule. Trace the transformations of the Indian National Congress from the moderate reforms and body to the mass and the nationalist movement between the 1885 and 1920 to 50 words. The Indian National Congress started in 1885 with the 72 members and focusing on the small charges under the British rule by the 1920 leaders like the Gandhi helped and turned it into a large movement fighting and for India full independence. Bipin Chandra's note, the INC was the crucial in which and the modern Indian nationalism was the foregate body. Early phase 1885 से लेकर 1905 moderate phase. Founding and objectives. Congress began as other forums and for the dialogues between the Indian and the elite and the British rule. Example: the leaders like Dadabhai Naoroji and the Gopal Krishna Gokhale embraced constitutional reforms. Method: social combinations, key issues, methods. Petitions, prayers, and the protest within the constitution limits and loyalty and to the British Crown. Examples: the demand for the Indian representation in the legislation council. Social compositions: predominant upper caste and the English educated middle class. An example: the members were the lawyers, teachers, and civil servants. Key issues: economic reforms and administration changes and civil rights. Examples: critics of the economically drain and poverty, early and the radicalism and the Swadeshi movement, 1905-1918. Participation of the Bengal 1905 sparked protest and the Swadeshi movement emphasizing the boycott of the British goods. Example: Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal becomes the prominent leaders and the emergence of extremist and demand for the Swaraj, self-rule and the more assertive tactics. And example: the Tilak slogans and Swaraj is my the birthrights and the I shall have it. Division in Congress: moderate and extremist and clashed over the method and goals. And example: Surat split in 1907 divides the party. Revival during the Home Rules movements led by the Annie Besant and Tilak, and it is the mobilized middle class Indians. Example: the comparison for the self-government intensified. Mass nationalism and the Gandhi leadership 1919 and 1920. Impact of the World War I and economic hardships and political representation fluid population disconsist. Example: Revolt Act of the Jallianwala Bagh and miscry incentivized angers. Gandhi entry. Transformation of Congress and new ideology. Gandhi entry. Emphasis on the non and the violation of civil disobedience and mass and mobilization. Example: non-cooperation movement and 1920s through the participation from the peasant workers and women. And transformation of the Congress shifted from the elitist body to the mass movement embracing all class. Example: the exclusion of the peasant, student and the working class. The new ideology emphasis on the Swaraj and boycott of the foreign goods and social reforms. Example: the Khadi and the Swadeshi becomes the symbols of the nationalism. Between 1885 and 1920, the INC transformed and the fundamentally from the moderate reformist and to the mass and nationalism during the Gandhian phase under drives by the socio-political religions and the visionaries leaderships. The early phase. Question number 1. The early phase of the nationalist movement and laid the foundation of the Indian nationalism but failed to the mobilize the mass. And discuss. Introduction. The early nationalism believed in the constitution method and the elites and laid the reforms as the Bipin Chandra Pal's notes. They were the pioneers and who the shows and the seed of the Indian nationalism aid there the influences remains the limited and the among the borders mass. And lying the foundation of the Indian nationalism articulations of the Indian interest. Abused economic and the political grievance. Example: the Dadabhai Naoroji highlighted the drain of the wealth theories. Formation of the political reform. INC 1885 offered and all India and forums, the example moderate and petitioners and for the civil rights and the representation development of the political conscience, spirit of nationalist and throughout the among the educated Indian. Example political association in Bombay, Calcutta and Madras encourage promotion of the secular politics leaders, showed unity across the religions and the region. Example the Surendranath Banerjee and appeals cut across the communal lines and economical critics of the colonials and fostering anti-colonial understanding. Example R.C. Dutt writing explodes beating exploitation limitation mass mobilization. Urban and elite focus movement remarks confined and to the educated elites. Example few links with the rural tribals or working class communities. Lack of the vernacular reach. Use of the English limitation appeals to the common masses. Example the speeches and the resolutions and where the incasables to the most and Indians. And faith in the British justice relies on the petitions and the constitutional method. Example the demand where and the framed within the loyalty and to the British crowns. Absence of the agitationals politicals and no the attempt at mass based and civil the disobedient. Example the avoidance of the strict protections or the direct contractions. Neglect of the peasant and workers. Issues agrarian spirit and overlooked. Example no organized effort to the address rural debt or the tenant right. Conclusion the yearly nationalist creation, the intellectuals and the organization work for groundwork for the independence struggles and but the mass mobilization awaited the assertives and the explosive politicals of the 20th centuries as the Judith Browns observed, and it was Gandhi who and took nationalism to the villages. The Swadeshi movement marked other significant evolution in the method and ideology of India freedom struggle and the examined the Swadeshi movement and the emerging in the response to the 1905 Bengal petition representation are the turning point in the nationalism strategy as the Sumit and Sarkar notes, and it is the combined economically action with the cultural resurgence body. Evolution of method boycott of the foreign goods and the promotion of the indigenous industries and mass mobilization in state politics use of the culture and the rebellions and creation of the parallel institutions. Evolution in ideology. Assertive nationalism emphasis on the self is sacrifice creation of the westernizations and growth of the religious and identity within the nationalism and rise of militant nationalism body. Evolution in method boycotts of the foreign goods assertion economically nationalism as political protest. Example the British cloth and the salt were the publicity and bombed promotion of the indigenous and the industries and the encouraged self and the reliance through the Swadeshi product. Example nationalist entrepreneurs and established the textiles mills and shops. Shops and the factories and mass mobilization and spread the politicals extended the movement to the wider society. For example and student women and the artisans and joined the processions and protections. Use of the cultures and rebellions tapped into and the traditional symbols and the festivals. Examples Ganesh Utsav and Shivaji Jayanti where the politicized and in the Maharashtra and creation of the parallel institutions set up the nationals and schools and the arbitrations code. Example the Bengal National College under the Aurobindo Ghosh. Evolution in ideology assertion nationalism and marked the shift and from the petition to the protest. Example Bal Gangadhar Tilak and the advocacy and for the Swaraj as and the birthrights and emphasis on the self-sacrifice. Nationalism become other moral and the spiritual mission. An example volunteers and board poverty and the surveillances to the causes and critics of the westernizations and advocated cultures and colonizations. Example the promotion of the khadi and the tradition Indian knowledge growth of the rational identity and within the nationalism religious pride and alliance with the national aims. Example of the Bengali literature and art flourished as tools of the resistance. Rise of the militant nationalism inspired and early the revolutionaries activities. Example the Anushilan Samitis and armed and wing the emergent in Bengal. Conclusion: the example, the Swadeshi movement and was other crucial and where the nationalist through and the mass political fuse, then it laid the groundworks and for the futures and civil disobedient and the revolutionaries fervors, becoming other reference point and for the Gandhi and others. Question number 3: Gandhi ji introductions and the new and the strategic dimensions and to the freedom struggles after 1915 and elaborated 1951 and 10 marks. Gandhi ji returns and from the South India in 1950 and transformed in Indian politicals and Judith and brown notes. He moralized and Indians the nationalism and made it the mass based moral transformation and ahimsa and the satyagraha ethicals and resistance and become the political strategy. Example: the Champaran satyagraha and the mean to non-violence and to win peasant right and the elevating and suffering other powers and the dignified sacrifice over the violence confrontations. Example: non-cooperations and involve the jal bharo and the social ostracism. Moral appeals to the British and conscience shamed the oppressors and rather than the attacking. Example: Gandhi in letters to the Viceroy and during the Salt March and social reforms as the political duty and found the untouchabilities and the promoted Hindu Muslims unity. And example: the Harijan Sevak Sant and the Khilafat collaborations and self and the resistance, self restraint and ethical leadership. Personal example over the populist and the theoretic. Example: Gandhi as theory, lifestyle and the celibacy. Strategic formations, mass mobilization and from the below took politics to the villages and the towns. And example: the Bardoli and the Satyagraha and so the peasant and participation under the Patel boycott and the constructive and the programs and combination resistance with revolting and example: the spinnings and khadi and promotions panchayatas and the national education innovation protest and techniques and the march dandi walk and the hartals where the symbolized and the direct example: the Dandi March and the Garne Raid. International attentions, timing and control of the agitations and the collaborations and composition to the sustained pressure. Example: Gandhi code of the non and cooperation after the Chori and Chora violence. Appearance across the classes and caste and but the board coalitions and through the inclusive messaging. Example: the support and from the peasant workers, student and business class. Conclusion: Gandhi leaderships and brought the ethical powers and traditional depth to the Indian nationalism. His fusions of moralities and the politicals made him the architectures tact and of the India mass based the freedom movement.